In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to import Aliexpress reviews onto your Shopify store. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, and we'll just get started right now because I don't like to waste your time. So first of all, you want to go to the Shopify App Store and you want to search for an app called Lux. So I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, you want to make sure to install this app onto your Shopify store. Now, a quick disclaimer, it will cost you $10 a month, but they have a 14-day free trial. So I highly recommend you use this product. I'm not going to leave any affiliate links or whatsoever. It's just a great product. You can see that it has 4.5k reviews and a 4.9 star rating. But you want to make sure to download this first. Now, once you've got this downloaded, you want to go back to your Shopify store and you want to click on apps, and then once you're here, let me just refresh this. There you go. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on, let's see, import reviews right there. And then you'll find this button. Now what you want to do, you want to select that. So left click and then hold it, and you want to make sure to keep dragging that onto this bar. Okay, so I filled, there you go, let's add it, and there you go. So once it's right here, you want to go to AliExpress and you want to go to your own product. So I have this on my store. Now once you're at this product, all you need to do is click right here on import to Lux, and then you'll find this menu. So you can add 100 reviews or 20 reviews, and first of all you would have to select the product from your store. So click right here and you can then select it. So this is the product. You then hit 20 reviews or 100 reviews, depending on what you want. You can use a 4 stars and up rating or 5 stars only, or all ratings as well. I'm just going to go with 4 stars and up. You can also choose all countries or a specific country. So let's say that you only want reviews from the United States. You can then select that right here, and you can also translate to English. Now, once you are done with this, you want to click on preview and import. So what you can now do, you can review all the testimonials and all the reviews. So click on import if you like them. If you don't like this, you can click on reject, and you can just go through this. So you can just import these. Okay, so this is bad. Reject this, reject that, and then just keep doing this until you're done. Now let's say that I'm done. You then go back to your product, which I'll do right now. Products, which is right here. Oops, I should click right there. Hit preview. And here you go. So you now have these reviews on your store. Now these are terrible reviews, especially this one with this picture just doesn't look nice with the other ones. So make sure that you import the right reviews, but that's pretty much how you can import AliExpress reviews directly onto your Shopify store product. So keep in mind that they have a 14-day free trial. After that, it's going to be about $10 a month, but this is definitely worth it if you want to build a successful store. Now, if the video helped you out, please leave a like on the video and let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.